Now it's clear.
What is it, only when we do video?
No, it's clear now. Libby! Are you playing with your princesses? You like that, Libby? Your princesses, yeah. Are they dancing? Yay! Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning.
Did you open up? I think you have another present.
Where is that?
Where's the present? Wait, there's another present. Quick, oh, over there. Is that it? No, this one. Here we go.
To David. Love always me.
Teddy, what did you love the most that Santa got you? Dr. Dreadful? Are you still playing with your princesses? Oh, you want to open that?
Oh. Very nice.
Is that okay, the color?
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah, as long as you like it. Not about me. Not this time. Oh, Libby, what's that?
Thank you, Amy.
You're welcome. What'd you get?
Thank you.
You got a bicycle? Oh, wow. Libby? Look at that.
Can I play